Hello again, aviation enthusiasts. When it comes to private jets, many owners prioritize the ability to take off from shorter runways. Whether they're flying to remote locations, private airstrips, or small regional airports, the flexibility to land and take off in limited spaces can be a game changer for both convenience and adventure. Jets with shorter takeoff capabilities allow you to reach destinations that would otherwise be inaccessible, offering an unparalleled travel experience. This feature is especially valuable for those who want to avoid the hassle of large airports or need to access specific, smaller locations. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 private jets that excel in short takeoff performance. These aircraft are designed to maximize efficiency and performance while minimizing the required runway length, allowing for more versatile and adventurous travel plans. We'll explore each jet's price, operating costs, and key specs, giving you all the details you need if you're considering investing in one of these exceptional planes. From the purchase price to range, cruising speeds, and the possibilities available to you as an owner, this video will equip you with the information necessary to make an informed decision about which jet best fits your needs. The Honda Jet Elite 2 is a light jet that is known for its exceptional performance and efficiency, especially when it comes to short takeoffs. With a takeoff distance of just 3,491 feet, the Honda Jet Elite 2 can access smaller airports and airstrips with ease, making it a versatile option for business and personal travel. The purchase price for the Honda Jet Elite 2 starts at around $7 million, making it one of the more affordable options on this list. Operating costs are relatively low for a jet of its class, with expenses typically ranging from $1,500 to $1,800 per flight hour. The jet burns about 120 gallons of fuel per hour, and annual fixed costs, including insurance, hangar fees, and routine maintenance, can range from $350,000 to $500,000. The Honda Jet Elite 2 has a range of 1,437 nautical miles with a cruising speed of 422 knots. Its service ceiling is 43,000 feet, which allows for efficient and comfortable travel over both short and medium distances. The aircraft can accommodate up to 6 passengers with a cabin that is designed for maximum comfort and convenience. As an owner, the Honda Jet Elite 2 offers the ability to fly into smaller airports and more remote destinations, all while enjoying the comfort and efficiency of a modern private jet. It's an ideal choice for those who value performance and affordability in a light jet. Financing options are available with loan terms ranging from 5 to 15 years depending on the down payment and the interest rates. The life cycle of a Honda Jet Elite 2 is long, with Honda's reputation for engineering excellence ensuring that the jet remains reliable and efficient for decades. Regular maintenance is required to keep the plane in peak condition, but Honda's global support network ensures that owners have access to parts and services no matter where they fly. The Dassault Falcon 2000S is a larger, more luxurious private jet that still manages to offer short takeoff capabilities. With a takeoff distance of 4,675 feet, the Falcon 2000S is one of the most capable jets in its class when it comes to accessing shorter runways. It's the perfect blend of performance, range, and luxury, making it a top choice for business executives and high net worth individuals who need to travel efficiently to remote or regional locations. The purchase price for a new Falcon 2000S is approximately $30 million. Operating costs for the jet can range from $4,500 to $5,000 per flight hour, depending on factors like fuel prices, crew salaries, and maintenance. The Falcon 2000S burns about 300 gallons of fuel per hour, and annual fixed costs, including hangar fees, insurance, and regular maintenance, can range from $1.2 to $1.5 million. The Falcon 2000S boasts a range of 4,000 nautical miles, making it suitable for long-haul flights. With a cruising speed of 470 knots and a service ceiling of 47,000 feet, this aircraft can fly over most weather systems and avoid commercial air traffic, ensuring a smooth and efficient flight experience. Its spacious cabin can comfortably accommodate up to 19 passengers with plenty of room for luggage and personal amenities. As an owner, the Falcon 2000S offers unparalleled comfort and performance. The large cabin, advanced avionics, and impressive range make it ideal for both intercontinental travel and shorter trips to remote locations with shorter runways. Financing options are available for high net worth individuals or corporations. With loan terms typically ranging from 10 to 20 years, the Falcon 2000S also holds its value well on the resale market, making it a sound investment for those looking for a long-term ownership experience. The life cycle of the Falcon 2000S is extensive, with its advanced materials and high-quality craftsmanship ensuring decades of reliable service. Maintenance is more expensive than smaller jets, but Dassault's global support network ensures that parts and services are readily available wherever you fly. The Embraer Phenom 300E is one of the most popular light jets on the market, thanks to its blend of performance, comfort, and short takeoff capabilities. With a takeoff distance of 3,138 feet, the Phenom 300E can easily access smaller airports and shorter runways, making it ideal for owners who need flexibility in their travel plans. The purchase price for the Phenom 300E is around $10 million. Operating costs for this jet are typically between $2,000 and $2,400 per flight hour, depending on fuel prices, crew costs, and maintenance. Fuel burn is approximately 165 gallons per hour, and the annual fixed cost, which includes insurance, hangar fees, and routine maintenance, can range from $500,000 to $700,000. In terms of performance, the Phenom 300E has a maximum range of 2,010 nautical miles, with a cruising speed of 464 knots. It also has a service ceiling of 45,000 feet, allowing for smooth, efficient travel over long distances. The jet is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and a comfortable cabin that can accommodate up to 10 passengers, making it a versatile option for both business and personal travel. As an owner of the Phenom 300E, you can enjoy the ability to land closer to your final destination, whether that's a remote vacation spot or a regional business location. The aircraft is also designed for easy single-pilot operation, which adds to its appeal for owner pilots. Financing options are available through aviation lenders with flexible terms and competitive interest rates, especially for newer jets like the Phenom 300E. The life cycle of a Phenom 300E is long, with modern materials and advanced engineering ensuring that the aircraft will remain reliable for decades with proper care. Regular maintenance is required to keep the plane in peak condition, but Embraer's extensive service network makes it easy to find qualified technicians and parts. The Cessna Citation CJ4 is another private jet renowned for its short takeoff capabilities. With a takeoff distance of just 3,130 feet, the CJ4 is able to access smaller airports and private airstrips, giving owners more flexibility in their travel plans. The CJ4 combines impressive performance with an attractive price point, making it a popular choice for corporate and personal aviation. The purchase price for a new Citation CJ4 starts at approximately $10.5 million. The operating costs range from $1,800 to $2,200 per flight hour, including fuel, crew, and maintenance. Fuel consumption is around 200 gallons per hour, and annual fixed costs can be anywhere from $400,000 to $600,000 depending on usage and operational needs. The Citation CJ4 has a maximum range of 2,165 nautical miles with a cruising speed of 451 knots. It can climb to a ceiling of 45,000 feet, which allows for efficient cruising above weather and commercial air traffic. This aircraft is well suited for regional travel and can easily handle flights between major cities or to more remote destinations with shorter runways. As an owner, the CJ4 provides a spacious, well-appointed cabin with room for up to 10 passengers. The cabin is equipped with modern technology and comfortable seating, making it ideal for both business and leisure travel. With its ability to access smaller airports, the CJ4 can save owners time by reducing ground transportation and airport delays. Financing options for the Citation CJ4 are readily available, and many buyers opt for loan terms of 10 to 15 years, depending on the down payment and interest rates. In terms of the life cycle, the Citation CJ4 is built to last with durable components and reliable engineering. The aircraft has a strong resale value, and its relatively low operating costs make it a cost-effective option for frequent flyers. Regular maintenance is straightforward, and Cessna's global support network ensures that parts and services are easily accessible. The Pilatus PC-24 is often referred to as the super versatile jet, and for good reason. One of its standout features is its ability to take off and land on very short runways, including unpaved surfaces like grass or gravel, making it ideal for accessing remote locations. With a takeoff distance of just 2,930 feet, the PC-24 is one of the best jets for short takeoffs. The purchase price of the Pilatus PC-24 starts at around $10 million. For operating costs, owners can expect to spend between $1,800 and $2,000 per flight hour, which includes fuel, maintenance, and crew expenses. The PC-24's fuel burn is around 160 gallons per hour, and the annual fixed costs can range from $400,000 to $600,000 depending on how frequently you use the aircraft and where it's based. In terms of performance, the PC-24 has a range of 2,000 nautical miles with a cruising speed of 440 knots. It also boasts a service ceiling of 45,000 feet, allowing you to fly above commercial air traffic for smoother and more efficient flights. This jet is perfect for owners who need to fly into locations with limited runway space, like mountainous regions or private airstrips. It's also a great choice for those who want the versatility of a jet that can handle both short and long-haul flights. As an owner, the PC-24 offers the convenience of landing closer to your final destination, whether that's a secluded vacation home or a business location that's not easily accessible by larger jets. This aircraft is also designed with a spacious and customizable cabin, ensuring that you travel in comfort and style no matter where you're headed. Financing options are available through traditional lenders or specialized aviation financing companies, with loan terms typically ranging from 5 to 20 years. The life cycle of the PC-24 is robust, with modern engineering and high-quality materials ensuring that the jet can serve its owners for decades with proper maintenance. Regular inspections and maintenance costs are comparable to other jets in this price range, but its versatile landing and takeoff capabilities make it a truly unique offering in the world of private jets. In conclusion, the world of private jets offer a wide range of options for those seeking the flexibility and convenience of short takeoff capabilities. From the versatile Pilatus PC-24 to the luxurious Dassault Falcon 2000S, there's a jet for every need and budget. Whether you're looking for an affordable light jet like the Honda Jet Elite 2 or a more luxurious option like the Falcon 2000S, the ability to access shorter runways opens up a world of possibilities for private jet owners. With proper financing, maintenance, and care, these jets can provide decades of reliable service, making them a worthwhile investment for those who value convenience, efficiency, and performance in their travel experiences. So until next time, happy flying!